Have you read Tim Grover's books?
No. Which one? I've heard a lot of Tim Grover.
Winners and then Relentless.
So I just heard about Relentless. Well, I've heard about it.
Relentless is the only book that was like, okay, Stratton, you're not a psychopath. Like other people are like this. Where like, no, it's never good enough. Like it's always on. Like it always is fucking going, no matter what you're doing. I don't care how good you did.
Yeah.
You're still in the room watching film. Like, oh, it's midnight, but like right here, bro.
Yeah.
If you would have taken a half step sooner, that's a pick. To where like if we apply that to life, bro, with sports, that's 100% real.
That's some real shit
all the time. Bro.
Yeah.
Like it is split seconds.
Yeah.
Where if you make that decision now, you are either a Pro Bowler, Hall of Famer, or I played in high school.
Bro, playing tight end, man. It's the difference between fucking giving up a tackle for a loss on a power play, right? Your number one job is to not get beat inside to the C gap. As a tight end, you got to wash that shit down, right? You get beat inside, I guarantee you it's probably because either your head was down, you didn't lead with your hands, or you didn't take a left foot step to take away the gap. You know what I mean? You either stepped under yourself or you stepped forward, you gained ground, you never cut off the gap, and you never brought your hands with you. Like 100%, it's that simple. The difference between someone shooting that gap and blowing up a power play and you actually getting on the hip and washing the shit down.
Right. But Relentless will help you. It is a top Think and Go Rich and Relentless, I think, are top two mindset books. And I'm sure if I thought about it more, there'd be other ones.
Yeah.
But Relentless is up there just to get your mind in the right space.
Yeah.
And that was acknowledged. Daniel Reyes, I don't know why it comes up as his Facebook.
Well, he got to make sure that he's given StreamYard permission.
I don't even know how that shit works, dude.
Usually when you open up the live, it'll tell you those things. It'll say like, do you want to grant StreamYard permission? So if you haven't done it, it doesn't work.
What's going on, Dino? Me and Dino got some exciting things coming up.
My man, Dean is the man, as we always say.
Captain America is what I call him. And then Kalani says she absolutely recommends Relentless. Thanks, beautiful.
Boom, boom, boom.
What were we talking
Any other books out there that maybe we haven't brought up that in the audience you guys might have read and you think it'd be great for our audience to take a look at? Take a great read for them to expand themselves.
Oh, okay. I got a point. This is not a book. While we're waiting for that, I'll talk on this. So I was at Tim Brott's mastermind the other day, and I was talking to a guy. He's like, I'm not in the Closers Olympics because I want people to work for me to be in the Closers Olympics. Nothing else.
Okay.
I was like, yeah, you're right. That's a different level of brand.
Yeah.
You're developing someone who's better than everyone else who's doing their own shit, but like I developed them and they work for our company.
Yeah.
I win. Right, to where the leadership skill surpassed everyone else, and this guy is bigger than most of the dudes who are, I think, all of them who even do anything relative to that. I was like, oh yeah, you're right. Like, how can I get to a point where I'm developing people who go and compete in the Closers Olympics? I'm not doing it. Why would I do it?
Yeah,
I'm already past that.
Yeah,
I've already developed the skill. I have nothing to prove. Now I have someone else who works with us who's a savage, and I think he's better than everybody else, and he goes and kills it.
Yeah,
that's the goal. The goal isn't to be in the Closers Olympics. The goal is to have team members in the Closers Olympics burying other people.
Yeah,